My name is Jacek Laskowski. I am consultant in orthopedics and traumatology. I specialize in treatment of the degenerative disease of hip joint. In 2003, 22 years ago, I started as a first in Poland implanting Birmingham hip resurfacing implants, and I'm doing it by now. I have done 1,150 such operations. I started with the Birmingham hip, then Adept, and now we introducing another implant, ceramic implant resurf for hip resurfacing. In general, hip resurfacing is the method designed especially for the sport active patients which are not satisfied with the classic stem total hip replacement.